How many times have you missed a good trade just because your signal provider sent signals with multiple entry prices? We know that happens a lot, and that's why today we're here with a demonstration video of how you can set your preferred entry price in our Telegram signal copier. So at first, go to the Edit option of the channel where your signals usually come. Then go to Additional Keyword. Right here, you'll see the Prefer Entry feature, where we have 4 different options for you: first price, second price, average price, and all price. For now, let's select the first price and click Save. After that, go straight to your selected channel and paste a trade with 2 buy prices. As you can see, our copier took a trade with the first price mentioned in the signal. Now come again to the Additional Keyword section of your channel's keyword configuration setting. Then change the Prefer Entry feature to second price from first price. Now let's send the same signal again with 2 buy prices and see your trade has been executed at the second price. Now we'll select the average price option and send the same signal again to test it. As you can see, the trade is placed at a price between the 2 buy prices we sent. This is exactly how the average price option works. Well, you might have already guessed what will happen if we select the all price option. Let's check it out by sending the signal. And here you see, our copier took trades at both prices mentioned in the signal. So that's all. If you're getting signals from a provider who gives multiple entry prices in one signal, our Prefer Entry feature will have your back every time. We hope this simple process solves your problem. If it does, don't forget to leave a like. Also, let us know in the comments if you have any further questions about our Prefer Entry feature. See you on the next one.